bahay ni Fino at ng defending champions. Saan? Sa Ateneo de Manila University. Tara. Tara guys. This is it. Volley friends, kasama ko ngayon ang magaganda. Very talented. At ang defending champion ng ating UAAP Women's Volleyball, ang Ateneo Lady Eagles. Girls, say hi! Talaga namang napaka-energetic ng ating girls, pero dito natin matitest. Magpapatalo ba naman tayo sa cheer ng ibang school? Hindi! One big fight! Go Ateneo! One big fight! Go Ateneo! One big fight! Charis ng lipa! Charis ng lipa! Charis ng lipa! Charis ng lipa! Kinain nyo ba yung energy nila guys? Ako hindi. Nakakaloka po sila. Okay girls, diretso na tayo sa bookingan portion ng aking favorite. Ready na ba kayong sumagot? Yes! Ready na! Ready na! Yes! Okay, bookingan portion. Question number 1. Sino ang lagi pinapagalitan ni coach sa training? Yes! Give us a dance! And give us a dance! Next question. Sino ang laging late sa training? Kondo girls! Kondo girls? Yes. Kondo girls. Okay. Next question. Sino dito ang naniniwala sa forever? Wala! Wala naniniwala sa forever! Sino dito ang in love? Gigi! Next question. Sino dito ang magaling kumanta? Si Terry! Talaga siya. One, two, three, go! The closer I get to you, the more you make me see. I give me all your love. Has captured me. Sino dito ang gusto ng UAAP Championship? Go Ateneo! One big fight! Go Ateneo! One big fight! Charis! Volley friends, ang susunod kong kasama ay hindi na kailangan ng introduction. Pangalan pa lang alam nyo na. Ladies and gentlemen, Alyssa Valdez!
Hi volley friends! Hi guys! Hi everyone!
A-quick tayo ha. Magbibigay ako ng mga questions tapos sagot lang ng sagot. Okay? Ready ka na?
Ready.
Okay, game.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wala pa nga eh. Game. Blue or yellow?
Hard.
Beach or swimming pool?
Beach.
Hard spike or single block?
Hard spike?
Question. Batangas o Manila?
Batangas.
Sneakers or flip-flops?
Sneakers.
Caramel or chocolate?
Caramel.
Maglaro sa Pilipinas or maglaro abroad?
Both.
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 Hunk o boy next door?
Wala.
Wala. Next.
Athlete daw.
Ay, athlete daw. Sabi athlete daw. Okay, athlete. Hindi siya hunk, hindi siya boy next door. Athlete. Okay. World Peace UAAP Championship. Siyempre. Thank you so much, Eliza.
Thank you.
Short message naman dyan for the fans and sa followers ng Ateneo Lady Eagles.
To all the supporters of the Ateneo Lady Eagles, kahit sa men's and women's volleyball or any other sports, thank you so much for your undying support. We all love you so much, and from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. At sana hindi pa dito magtatapos ang pagsuporta niyo sa Ateneo Lady Eagles kahit graduate na kami ni Kiwi and ni May. And bye-bye, UAAP.
Hindi man sila batchmates pero sabay silang sumabak sa UAAP Volleyball at sa first year nila, nakapag-championship agad sila. Guys, Bea De Leon and Joe Baraginon. Eto na ang ultimate test of friendship. Meron ako mga katanungan at sagutin ninyo girls, okay? Alaman na, magkakaalaman na. Okay, question number 1. Basic muna tayo. Birthday. Kailan ang birthday ni Jo? Kailan ang birthday ni Bea?
Wait lang! Lagi ko alam yung spelling. Tama naman, di ba? Mali.
So, kailan ang birthday niya? So, tama ba yung sagot ni Bea?
Kahit nagdalawang isip siya.
Bea, August 2 daw. You would know. Okay, next question. School nung high school. Saan nag-aral si Jo nung high school? Saan nag-aral si Bea? Answers up!
Oh my God!
Are you from Palmera? Galasal University, Limao.
Oh my God!
Oh, nasa Limao, whatever.
Okay, next
Oh my gosh,
question.
it's a competition pa rin.
Yes, favorite color.
Si ate.
Answers up.
Oh, may drawing siya.
Show your answers. Blue, Bea. Yellow.
And clouds are white. Ano ka ba?
Sky blue.
Clouds are white.
Next question. I-drawing ninyo
Oh no!
ang favorite facial expression.
Oh my gosh! What is that? They look like a makeup. Sinkin siya eh.
Oh my God!
She's always rolling her eyes.
Favorite facial expression daw ni Bea.
Yung
And
nakaganon na
favorite facial expression ni Jo.
Oh, tama, diba?
Okay.
Laser.
Sino o ano ang nagpapakilig sa inyo ngayon?
Ay, oh my God!
Ay!
Answers up.
Tenga mo, mamatay ka pa rin.
Pagkain.
He has no feelings.
At all. Lagyan mo, at all.
At all. Is that true? Wala kang feelings?
Ubus na, friend.
Pero malapit na magkaroon.
Okay.
But wait for it.
Okay, obviously, they are best of friends. Tayo ang kanilang score, guys. So,
Easy.
thank you, Jo, and thank you, Bea. Bye!
Bye!
Ang susunod na kasama ko ngayon ay ang mga laging nangungulit sa likod ng courtside reporter na si Miss Laura Liman. Ngayon ang challenge, sila naman ang magpa-courtside reporter pero dapat hindi sila madidistract. Okay?
Hi, this is May Tajima. Coach Tai always reminded the girls to keep heart strong lang lagi at focus lang sa game.
Tubig ka.
Thank you. Boom and ah.
Thank you, bro. This is Dina Wong. According to Coach Tai, yung importante lang, magpo-focus at saka heart strong. Kasi yung importante lang, heart strong lang at magpo-focus. Focus lang at heart strong. Heart strong lang at focus. At
Thank you po.
Winner!
Thank you, Bua.
welcome. This is Pongay, the courtside reporter of Ateneo de Manila University. Sabi ni coach sa laro nila, hot, strong, at fighting. Kailangan lahat ng service nila bonggang-bongga upang manalo sa huling game.
Upang manalo.
Thank you, candidate number. Back to you.
Back to you, go mention.
Back